Hi, my name is Jillian Whitney and I'm with Launch for Life, and I wanted to give you a quick little video today about a program that I have found for making easy LinkedIn videos. The program is called Clips and it's by the folks at Apple, so if you don't have an iPhone or an iPad, this video is not for you. But if you do have that and you're looking for an easy peasy way to make LinkedIn videos, listen up. Reason number one is that Clips allows you to have automatic subtitles at the bottom of your screen. And this is great because Siri, which is of course what's inside an iPhone or an iPad, what she does is she's listening to what you're saying and she's automatically putting that on the video for you. And at the end, if you want to go in and clean it up, because she does about 95% of a good job, you can go in, you can take any words that she hasn't done right. If you're picky like me and you want to do all your capitals and periods and get your name spelled right, you can do that as well. So I think that's awesome because it takes so much work out of the process of having to have an SRT file and everything else you'd need for closed captions. Another thing I like about Clips is that it's clips. It allows me to do lots and lots of little teeny video segments. I can do one long one if I wanted to, but I can do lots of little teeny segments, and then at the end they all go into one project to make one long video. And what's nice is I can go and I can get rid of some and keep some and move them around. So it's really awesome that you have the ability to put several clips together to form one video. The next thing I like about Clips is it does these square videos, and square videos take up more real estate space in the news feed than a traditional sort of, that wide video like a YouTube video. And the other thing is it allows you to kind of repurpose your videos for different social media platforms. So if I do a square video, I can use a video on LinkedIn and I can also use it on Facebook. I'm not sure about Twitter. That's one platform I'm not really using as much, so if anybody knows about Twitter, let me know. Next up, Clips allows me to go in and edit my videos right on my iPhone or my iPad. It doesn't allow me to do intricate, video editing like you do with Camtasia or something like that, but it's great for lopping off at the beginning and the end of any particular clip, and I love that because we all make mistakes. So that's it. I summed it up. I love Clips. It's a fun program. If you're an Apple user, get in and play with it. It's a great way to make easy peasy videos for LinkedIn.